Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is another Quackie starring the 2008 Toyota Corolla Verso. Hopefully a quick job today. I've got a problem with the central locking on the rear offside door. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. The motor sounds like it's working, but I think there's a problem with the mechanism. Something's bent, something's sticking, or what have you. It would be really good to get this working properly, because every time I lock the car, I then have to come and manually lock this door. And after nearly 2 years of living with it, it's kind of got annoying now. So I'm going to get the door panel off and have a look, see what I'm dealing with. That was slightly awkward to get out, but not absolutely terrible. What I'm doing is pulling these clips back and just inserting the cable ties so they don't lock back in place, and then hopefully when the whole lot are done, with a bit of luck, it should just come apart. Right, managed to get it open. Wasn't necessarily the easiest job, but I've actually managed to get it open without anything breaking. What I did do was I just released this cable, and also there was a screw through there that I needed to take off as well. Apart from that, it was just a case of very carefully wedging it open. Hopefully it will go back together again. So now I can give it a good clean, check it out carefully. It doesn't look initially as though anything's broken, so there's a possibility that it might be repairable. I would say this is the issue. This bit of plastic has delaminated, so I would say that this part is scrap. Okay, it's looking like I found my issue, but I think basically that unit is scrap. So what I'm going to do is just snap it back together, put it back in the car so I can at least use the door manually, and I shall have to work out how to get another one, find some suppliers of used car parts here in Bulgaria. It's now 2 days later, and I have just received this. Actually came from a Bulgarian company called Mega Parts. I also found one in Lithuania, and I found one in Portugal as well. I have done some basic tests on it, just made sure that the locks work, that it closes, all the manual stuff works basically, opens and closes, so that all seems to be fine. What I'm now going to do is check the electrics. For the outcome of the testing, it works. So absolutely perfect. Not sure if I've mentioned it before or not, but this bolt that I've removed actually holds the bottom of the window runner in place. Okay. Right, I'm going to fit this back into the car now. It's held into the door with the 3 screws at the front that you've seen before, and obviously the electrical connector goes in there. I slot that into the door handle mechanism, and then the only other thing I had to do, the interior handle and lock needs to be fitted to this end. It's actually pretty straightforward. So it goes up into there like that. Next I'm going to try the electric locking mechanism. Won't open. Unlock it. And it opens. In the moment of truth, I'm going to close the door, give it a go. Yes! Okay, that's sorted. I think it's 27, 28 euros, something like that. So well and truly worth doing. It was just absolute convenience thing. It would just make life so much easier. Anyways, if you enjoy videos like this, then please like and subscribe. It really does help the channel. And we'll be back soon. Thanks for watching.